Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're like me and have a wallet stuffed with loyalty cards from your favorite stores, this video is a game changer. Today, we're covering how to add loyalty cards to Apple Wallet in 2025. It's a simple feature that makes shopping faster and more convenient, especially with the latest iOS updates. Let's dive right in. First, ensure your iPhone is running the most recent iOS version for 2025. This is crucial for accessing all the new wallet features. Just head to Settings, General, Software Update to check and install if needed. Once that's sorted, open the Wallet app from your home screen. It's the one with the wallet icon, usually on your main page. Now, look for the plus button in the upper right corner and tap it. This opens a menu of options for adding new items. From the menu, select Loyalty Card. If it's not immediately visible, make sure you're scrolled through the list. Apple might have tweaked the interface slightly in 2025. Next, you'll be prompted to add your card details. You have two easy options. Use your camera to scan the barcode from the physical card, or manually enter the information like the card number, store name, and any other required details. Take your time to get it right. After entering the info, double-check everything for accuracy, then hit Add or Next to confirm. Your loyalty card will now appear in your wallet. To use it in stores, just open the Wallet app, select the card, and show the screen at checkout. It's that seamless. A quick tip. Some stores integrate with Apple Wallet for automatic rewards, so linking your account might enhance the experience. If you run into issues, restart the app or check for updates. There you have it. Adding loyalty cards to Apple Wallet is a breeze and keeps your pockets lighter. Give this a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.